So here are the babies. They're 1 week old and doing awesome. So there's Blue Boy. And then we got Black Boy snuggled in. And Black Boy, I think he might be a long coat. I think. I'm not positive, but I think. There's Black Boy. And Dora's being a great mom. So happy. And let's see if we can get Blue Boy here. There's Blue Boy. Big yawns. Big yawns. The Blue Boy is definitely short coat. Definitely. So both babies are doing super. Everything's going great. They're beautiful. They got beautiful colors on them. They're going to be that really red mahogany coloring. They're beauties, that's for sure. We got some winners here. So that's it for this week's update. Soon they'll be running around. It'll be doing a lot more than just little whimpers. So that's Blue. I'm trying to get comfortable. They love to snuggle on each other. We need to keep warm like that. And so that's it for this week's update. Until next week. Bye.